So basically, C-3PO, obviously a kind of a humanoid, and he wanted to make it more, not as robotic as you thought it should be. He wanted to have more human tone. So this was basically done on tape by splicing audio with a delayed version of itself. Let's hear the first one.
All systems have been alerted to your presence, sir.
Okay, second.
I've just about had enough of you.
So it has a little bit of delayed echo in it. It's really just enough to make it sound robotic. Let's go to next. So this is basically done with something called comb filter. And I had a guy do some dry and wet work for me to kind of recreate the effect. So let's listen to the dry.
Goodness gracious me. Hello, sir. I am C-3PO, Human Cyber Relations, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2.
Okay, so that's just him doing it, and if I apply that same effect of a comb filter...
Goodness gracious me. Hello, sir. I am C-3PO, Human Cyber Relations, and this is my counterpart, R2-D2.
So, a little robotic, but that's how all of C-3PO's voice was made. A lot of the mechanical stuff, like his joints and legs moving, was either from a window motor and antenna from an old Cadillac that they had on site, that they would just kind of roll up and down. Okay, so yeah. If anybody's old enough to have the old power windows and antennas, that's what it was. Other droid stuff, also, we'll see this later, was by Foley, and Ben showed me this. He uses this. If anyone knows what this is, this is an old ice cube tray, a metal one. And this would be a lot of other droid sounds that they would make with this, which I was like, really? Okay. So you could use anything.
Where do you think you're going? Well, I'm not going that way. It's much too rocky.
Okay, and now we get on to R2. So R2 was basically made by voice. Ben had an R2600, an old synthesizer back in the day, and he actually had a voice circuit that he put into it, so he could voice a lot of the different R2 speak. Okay, next. So you can see that's Ben's R2600 that was like stuffed away for 20 years, he said, and he had settings for each different sound. And he could only get it to do angry sounds when I was there, because the thing is so old. And there's such a monumental amount of work, because R2 has sort of this human emotion part in his voice, and that's basically Ben, whether it's cooing or kind of screams, that's all his voice that's all been imposed on the synthesizer. So we can listen to a couple, which you probably all know. So that laughing is him doing that in there, testy. And then sad. Right. So that's him cooing into his mic. Unfortunately, since that's the way they did it, you're not going to find a lot of new R2 sounds, particularly since Ben's not involved anymore. It's very difficult for him to even get that to work. So you'll probably not hear a lot of new R2 sounds in the new movies. At least that's my opinion. But there's a couple here that were not used very well that I found. Play those. So yeah, so this was something I talked to Ben about. I was very interested in how do you make R2 sounds automatically? Like, can you do that without the R2600 and setting all these plugs and trying to do all this stuff? How would you do that? So he tried a long time ago. They have these emulators on your PC now that will, emulate all the old synthesizers of the day. And he tried to make custom programs to attempt to automatically make an R2 sound, right? And it turned out that it was very difficult to do because of all the voice acting we did. Next. Okay, so I said, well, you know what, I want to try this. I think it's cool. And I'm an engineer, so what the heck. So I looked at some methods on the R2 sounds of the existing sound library that I had access to. And I used some advances in machine learning and neural networks to teach my computer all about R2 sounds. And so I trained it on this thing for a day or so and said, I'm going to ask this AI program its ability to generate a new random sound from its memory. Because what I wanted to get was basically, how do you get a different emotion or a different string of emotions that you haven't heard before, right? That's what you really want. So that's what I attempted to do, and the initial results here are a little bit coarse because of the bit depth I was using, but I think the spirit is there. This is basically going to be an AI-generated sound completely. All I did was ask it to, give me a sound out, and it's about telephone quality, I call it. So that's the initial research. So trying to make an R2-like sound automatically. Okay, let's go into Stormtroopers. Everybody loves them. So vocals here were very simple back in the day. Radio DJs were talking to Ben because they had great voices, right? Over a walkie-talkie, along with an old telephone, which then he recorded on his end.
The Death Star plans are not to be computed.
That guy right there, he's the only one who's still alive. And here's a recreation of that.
The Death Star plans are not to be computed.
Okay. That's basically done with what they call a bandpass filter today. You can run this thing and do it in 5 seconds with an audio editor. And I did that to show you. Here's another movie example.
All right, we'll check it out. All right, we'll check it out.
Very easy to do today. Fetch voice, his original in particular, was also filtered, but it just didn't have the statics and clicks.
What if he doesn't survive? He's worth a lot to me. What if he doesn't survive? He's worth a lot to me.
What if he doesn't survive? He's worth a lot to me.
The Empire will compensate you if he dies. Put him in.
I like the old fit voice. Okay, Darth Vader's breathing. The breathing was recorded through a scuba air regulator that Ben found at the store. You got several different versions that you'll hear throughout the movies. Next, we got. Okay. If you hear, it's hard to hear in the movie, but the early versions, since they didn't have surround sound back then, had a panning effect on the voice and the breathing that will go in. And so, I may have a demo of that later, but it's very odd, but once you hear it, that's the way they did kind of stereo effects and kind of surround sound back then. So most common. And then you can hear it a little bit more obvious. And on the right there, you see that's the actual regulator that Bert used to make the breathing effect that he's got in his little captain. That's Skywalker sound. Okay, Darth Vader himself. I think he's here, right? So, James Earl Jones, voiced Vader in every Star Wars movie to date, even Rogue One. But a lot of people don't know that they actually altered his voice slightly. It was slowed down. You can readily hear this if you watch a James Earl Jones movie, because Vader always talks slower than James Earl Jones. So again, since this was on audio, this is on a real tape, it was easy to slow it down. So,
no distraction, no exception.
Okay, let's go next. Okay, so they also added some reverb and some helmeted effects, a little bit of echo for more presence.
No distraction, no exception.
Now, the A&H voice had more mid-range, and when they got to the ESP and Return of the Jedi, it was more like a very low guttural bass sound for him.
I
I've been waiting for you, big one.
That's A&H, right?
The Emperor is not as forgiving as I am.
Okay, play the raw example one more time. Use here, it's slower. If you can.
No distraction, no exception.
So not a lot was actually done to his voice, but there is some that's always done to make it, give him that more presence.
The Emperor is not as forgiving as I am.
All right, thank you, Lord Vader.
It's in a droid, a BB unit.
Well then, if it's on Jakku, we'll soon have it.
I leave that to you.
Basically, there's an intentional muffling by placing the mic right on Adam Driver's mouth, which if you've done that as a kid or whatever, you're talking to the mic too close, or kids are playing Xbox or they scream into it or whatever, you get that type of effect. And that tends to attenuate what we call sibilances. So let's hear the original.
The droid. Storm Freighter.
Now you can pretty much tell that that's like right on his mouth, just kind of talking.
The droid. Storm Freighter.
Okay, that's my recreation of it, just by playing around. So then you could actually pitch shift this down a little bit and filter it some more, try and get more of that Kylo sound.
I'm impressed. No one has been able to get out of you what you did with the map.
And there's something called compression that was done, and that limits what we call plosive sounds, and plosive sounds are, that's plosive, and de-essing is, you can use compression to get rid of those, but you can't really hear, you can tell that, let's listen to that Kylo again, there's not a lot of that going on.
I'm impressed. No one has been able to get out of you what you did with the map.
Okay, that was my recreation. Go back to the original.
I'm impressed. No one has been able to get out of you what you did with the map.
Okay, mechanized effect. This was well used in A New Hope in particular, where basically you just modulate the voice with some signal and you get this mechanized effect. It typically, in A New Hope, it was created by just listening to, Ben would listen to his grandfather's ham radio and record a lot of stuff off the ham radio. So you get this by, it's called single sideband ham radio. You can actually recreate it today with an audio editor with what's called a ring modulator. And this was used a lot in X-Wing comm pilot traffic, particularly in A New Hope.
How many guns do you think, Goal 5?
Say about 20 guns, some on the surface, some on the tower.
And then I recreated just playing around.
Say about 20 guns, some on the surface, some on the towers.
Okay. 99 interrogator droid, which was in Jabba's palace, that was interrogating a Gonk droid. Also this effect.
Good. New acquisitions. Good. New acquisitions. You are a protocol droid, are you not?
I am C-3PO, human
Yes or no will do.
Oh, well, yes.
Alien effect. So there's also this Imperial spy, Rendon's on Tatooine, A New Hope, that gives up the Millennium Falcon. It was actually synthesized electrical effect applied to a John Wayne movie line, which is something like, you know, what are you doing here? Or some John Wayne line. Let's hear that. They renamed this guy Ponda Baba, who's originally known, if you're as old as me, Walrus Man, if you had the original Kenner figures. Basically because his voice was just a walrus at the zoo.